Hey guys, so what I'm going to quickly do in this video is compare the top features and specs of the WP19 with the Pro version, just to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged phones. So without further ado, let's dig in. So both devices have the same design, the exact same design, except for the camera module or the camera bump of the Pro version, which appears transparent with a red stripe around it. The thickness of both devices are the same, which is 29mm, but the WP19 Pro is a little bit heavier than this device. The Pro version has a weight of about 592 grams, while the weight of the WP19 is 570 grams. Now, the Pro version is powered by the Helio G99, while the normal WP19 is powered by the Helio G95. And as we all know, the G99 is a far more better and efficient processor than the Helio G95. The WP19 Pro also utilizes 12GB RAM and it packs a 256GB internal storage, while the Oukitel WP19 has 8GB RAM and a 256GB internal storage. The Android version of the Pro version is the Android 13, while the Android version of the WP19 is the Android 12. The battery capacity of the Pro version has been slightly increased as well, from 21,000 mAh to 22,000 mAh, but the fast charging speed of both devices remains the same. Both the Pro version and the WP19 has the same display size and the same Full HD Plus resolution, but the Pro version features a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Oukitel WP19 has a 90Hz refresh rate. The cameras of both devices are the same. Both devices features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision, and 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera of both devices are the same as well, which is 16MP. So other features of both devices are the exact same thing. Both devices support Bluetooth 5.0. They are both rated IP68 and IP69K, and also they are both military standard H10H certified. And of course, both devices support NFC, face unlock, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, GPS, and so on. So these are the major differences between the WP19 and the Pro version. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.